Can I eat fruits at night? The reason we have this question is because we are from India and Ayurveda often says don't eat fruits at night, don't eat raw at night, but this is not true. Remember that all the animals eat their food raw, and if we eat only raw, we will be the healthiest. But maybe all of us are not able to do completely raw right now, but you can have only fruits for any meal. I would suggest having fruits and green smoothie for any meal if you want. And so if you don't have time to cook, you can just have fruits and green smoothie. I had a patient who was only eating meat when he came to me. But he had a serious illness and he was ready to change in order to get rid of it. He was a good cook, but he didn't like vegetables. So he tried green smoothies and he said, I could do this. I could have green smoothies and fruit for every meal. And he did that and he got better. If you're hungry at night and you don't have time to cook, it's definitely better to have fruits and green smoothie rather than cooked food. And you know what? You can even be a fruitarian if it suits you.